Hello, good evening, investors and traders. I am Jibin. Welcome to the post market report. Today might be a consolation day for many of the investors and traders after a long time. Nifty is making a huge run about more than 2% after a long time. Today, as I mentioned in the pre-market report, if the India VIX rose, there will be volatility in the market. The same thing happened during today's trading section. Nifty today traded in a single direction. Even though Nifty opened above 23,400, Nifty just came and took support at 23,350 levels, and then from there Nifty started to rise. Nifty today rose about 600 points and Sensex up about more than 2000 points. The bears killed unmercifully today. Whoever shorted the market might have been bleeded heavily today. Strong US labor market data as well as the strong rally in finance and banking sectors led the rally in Indian market today. Not only that, on day before yesterday, the exit poll in Maharashtra and Jharkhand released. Most of the exit polls were in favor of the NDA. So tomorrow is the vote counting day. Tomorrow by evening, the result will come. So the market today behaved and rallied positively. If the exit poll results reflecting on the real result, on Monday there will be positiveness in the market and we may not be able to see a rally as of today. If fortunately or unfortunately, if the real results come vice versa, the impact will be very high. And today, by rising in Nifty about 600 point and Sensex about 2000 point, the investors in Indian market gained about 7 lakh crores rupees. But it is not the time to decide whether the market will go up or go down or the market may consolidate. We have to wait and watch on the next week because on Monday the election result will reflect, and from there we have to wait and watch. The FIIs will stop their selling or they will reduce the selling. Today, the SEBI also inquired about the bribery case towards Adani. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Green Energy, and other Adani stocks today gained about 3 to 4%. But with regard to the Adani, we have to wait and watch because today they lost some of the contracts from various countries, and we have to wait and watch what will be the impact of this allegation. Some of the major reasons for today's rally were: first one is the exit poll result, the second one is the strong US labor data released and it led to the rally in IT sectors, and the third one is due to the value buying. And fourth reason is the rally in US and European markets, which also helped the rally in Indian market today. And fifth reason is due to the recovery in Adani stocks about 3 to 4%. And finally, the Chinese market were trading lower, so it also helped the Indian market to rise. When we come into the global markets, Dow Jones future is now trading with negative sentiments. European markets, FTSE is trading with positive sentiments, while CSE and DAX are trading with negative sentiments. When we come into the Asian markets right now, most of the markets are with positive sentiments. But Chinese market, Shanghai Composite plunks about 3% and Hang Seng Index is down nearly 2%. One interesting part is that after 2 months, the PCR of Nifty crossed above 1. Now the PCR of Nifty stands at 1.15, indicating bullishness in the market. When we come into the commodities, Brent crude, gold and crude oil are trading with positive sentiments since it's weekend, and the geopolitical tensions between Ukraine and Russia and in the Middle East is rising. So all these factors led to the rise in the commodities. Stock in news. Paytm stock rises 6% today, extended rally for fifth consecutive day on positive outlook by brokerages. Protein e-governance technologies. Stocks cracks 9% as NSE to sell 20% stake in the company through offer for sale. Singa Logistics. Today was the listing date, but share fell about 7% today after listing. Praj Industries shares rises about 9% today because the company is targeting threefold growth by 2030. SBI stock surges 2% today because the rating agency Jefferies given a buy rating and sees a potential of 29% upside in the stock aimed stable asset quality. Sobha Investec initiates coverage on Sobha with buy tag and sees 42% upside. Onyx Biotech, the listing of the company was on today. The share listed at a discount of 11.39% from its IPO price. Shipping Corporation of India shares rises nearly 6%, aimed buzz over introduction of 3 new shipping sector related bills at winter session in the parliament. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching.